Hey there, streetwear enthusiasts. Are you looking to create some seriously dope designs that will take the urban fashion scene by storm? Well, look no further because we've got the perfect tools to unleash your creativity. Say hello to Canva and Corel Draw. Canva is a user-friendly design platform that allows you to create stunning visuals with just a few clicks. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, Canva's got you covered. You can easily customize templates or start from scratch to bring your streetwear designs to life. But if you're looking for more advanced features and endless possibilities, Corel Draw is the way to go. It's a powerful design software that lets you create original, mind-blowing designs that will make your urban fashion line go viral. With Corel Draw, you have full control over every single detail, ensuring that your streetwear designs are as unique as they come. Combine the simplicity of Canva and the creative freedom of Corel Draw, and you've got yourself the ultimate streetwear design dream team. Let your imagination run wild as you experiment with colors, patterns, and typography to create eye-catching graphics that capture the essence of urban fashion. So, whether you're designing t-shirts, hoodies, or accessories, Canva and Corel Draw will take your brand to the next level. Unleash your creativity and watch your designs become a must-have in the streetwear community.
Feds for the streets in my streetwear attire. Dreams so big that set my soul on fire. From the pavement to the runway, I aspire to elevate the game, take it higher and higher. Threads speak volumes, it's a fashion affair. City lights flicker, but I'm fully aware of the dreams that I'm chasing, the vision so clear. Streetwear crown, yeah, I wear it with flair, yeah. Tripping dreams on the concrete catwalk. Big dreams in my mind, I don't ever bug. From the bottom to the top, I climb without talk. Success in my veins, hear that dreamy talk. Tripping dreams on the concrete catwalk. Big dreams in my mind, I don't ever bug. From the bottom to the top, I climb without talk. Success in my veins, hear that dreamy talk. From the thrift store finds to the limited edition, fashion's my language, it's my own rendition. Wear my ambition like a streetwear edition. Big dreams in my pocket, no room for suspicion. Yeah, running on these streets, but my mind's in the sky. Aim for the stars, watch the dreams multiply. From the corner blocks to the urban skyline, I'm the streetwear poet, let the words intertwine. Tripping dreams on the concrete catwalk. Big dreams in my mind, I don't ever bog. From the bottom to the top, I climb without talk. Success in my veins, hear that dreamy talk. Hustle hard, thread sharp, that's the dress code. From the underground hustle to the main road. Success echoes loud in every episode. Streetwear dreams, yeah, they never implode. Yeah, concrete dreams, but my vision's so vast. In the streetwear symphony, I'm the lead cast. From the wardrobe to the world, make it last. Big dreams, huge success, it's a blast. Tripping dreams on the concrete catwalk. Big dreams in my mind, I don't ever balk. From the bottom to the top, I climb without talk. Success in my veins, hear that dreamy talk. Chasing dreams like a sprinter on the track, never looking back, ain't no time to slack. The hustle of life, I'm carving my own track. Got my eyes on success, won't let it slip through the cracks, yeah. Street lights got my way, shadows of the past, but I break through. On this journey so vast, no room for doubt. In my dreams I'm steadfast, in the symphony of ambition my verses are cast. Tripping dreams on the concrete catwalk. Big dreams in my mind, I don't ever bog. From the bottom to the top, I climb without talk. Success in my veins, hear that dreamy talk.
Thanks for watching the video and remember to subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. Stay stylish and keep designing.